Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the hole size and establishing a center axis so the thread has a clear reference. Open the part file, set your units and thread standard to avoid scale mistakes, and create or verify the center line through the hole. Once done, draw the thread profile or prepare the circular edge you'll use. Make sure the hole depth exceeds the intended thread engagement. This prevents short threads and ensures proper fit when you apply the feature. Next, choose the method. Use Hole Wizard for standard internal threads because it automates size and class. It's faster and consistent. For custom threads or external threading, create a helix with the correct pitch and then sweep the triangular profile along it. You'll set pitch, major and minor diameters, and thread length intentionally. These parameters determine fit and strength. Once the sweep or hole wizard is defined, preview the cut or cosmetic thread to verify shape and clearances before finalizing the feature. Finish by deciding cosmetic versus modeled threads. Cosmetic threads are lightweight for drawings and assemblies, while cut threads are required for physical parts or prints. Apply the appropriate feature, confirm orientation and thread direction, and inspect mating parts to ensure clearance. If the feature fails, check the sketch plane alignment, helix start point and direction, and that pitch or diameters don't exceed hole limits. Rebuild and test mate in an assembly. This quickly shows fit issues, so you can adjust parameters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.